What is bacteria? Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Isa Hanif and today we are going to be talking about bacteria. These are the six kingdoms of life. Why are there six kingdoms of life? Because that's just how scientists decided to classify life. Today we are going to be talking about bacteria, one of the kingdoms of life. So what is bacteria? Bacteria are single-celled organisms that come in all different shapes and sizes. Now, when I say bacteria, you might think about germs and stuff that makes you sick. But not all bacteria is bad. So, let's talk a little bit about the structure of bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotic, meaning that they are single-celled organisms and they are much less complex than animal and plant cells. That swirly organelle at the center of the nucleoid. Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry. I meant to say that swirly organelle at the center of the bacteria is called the nucleoid. The swirly organelle at the middle of the bacteria. It contains chromosomes, which contain DNA, and it controls the activities of the bacteria just like the nucleus of a cell. Now, the blue dots all around the bacteria are called ribosomes. The blue dots. They are the bacteria's protein-making machines. And the tail-like structure at the end of the bacteria is called the flagella. The bacteria whips it back and forth so it can move through the organism that it's in. Now we're going to talk about good bacteria. Good bacteria can be found inside plants, animals, and believe it or not, food. This is a real picture of bacteria here. Now, what is bacteria doing inside plants, animals, and food? Bacteria can be found inside the digestive tracts of humans and animals. They help us break down food that our bodies cannot break down by itself. Plants need bacteria because they help plants break down the nitrogen in the soil so the plants can get to the nutrition that they need from the soil. Fun fact, did you know that yogurt contains living bacteria? Sorry if I ruined your appetite with that. Remember how I was saying not all bacteria is bad? But that doesn't mean that all bacteria is good either. Now let's talk about the bad bacteria. Bad bacteria can be found everywhere, in plants, animals, food surfaces, and especially the mall. Bad bacteria can clog a plant's ability to get nutrients from the soil. This will cause the plant to wilt and die. Bad bacteria can get to humans if the chef forgot to wash his hands or the food has gone bad. Bad bacteria is responsible for strep throat, food poisoning, and many other diseases. But all hope is not lost. These diseases can be cured with drugs called antibiotics. And because bad bacteria cause sicknesses, they can spread extremely fast. So always be careful if you are sick or bad bacteria has gotten to you. Bacteria can be found in all different shapes and sizes. Some bacteria cannot move, but others move with their flagella. Since bacteria have been around for billions of years, they help scientists figure out what the conditions were like on Earth billions and billions of years ago by seeing the conditions that bacteria live in now. That's the end of this video. I hope you've learned a lot about bacteria. See you in the next video.